In this video, you will learn how to remove or delete the drop-down list in Microsoft Excel sheet. Currently, you can see here, I have inserted a drop-down list. First one contain multiple options and second one contain only two options. So you will learn how to delete these drop-down list from Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. In previous tutorials, we have learned how to create this drop-down list and how to edit this drop-down list. And in this tutorial, we will focus on how to remove or delete this drop-down list. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So let's start this tutorial. To remove this drop down list, firstly select the cell which contains the drop down list. For example, this cell contains drop down list. So go to data tab, and in data tab you will find the option of data tools. In data tools you will find the option of data validation. Click on this down arrow and select data validation option. This dialog box appeared under setting. Now you will select the clear all option which appeared under and bottom. Select clear all and click on OK. Now you can see here the icon disappeared. If you click here, you can see here that the drop down list icon appeared here, but if you click on here, the drop down icon disappeared and the last entries appeared on this cell. You can edit this cell according to your choice. For example, if you want to write 2019, you can write this one and edit this one. On the other hand, you can see here this cell also contains the drop down list, but you cannot edit this cell. This cell contains only entries which are given in drop down list. For example, if you want to write here 23, press enter, then this dialog box appears. This value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. So if we remove this drop down list, then we can edit this cell. To remove this drop down list, simply follow the same steps. Click on data validation option and select clear all and click on OK. Now you can see here the icon disappeared. Now this cell does not contain any drop down list. You can edit it according to your choice. For example, I will write 22 and press enter, and you can edit it according to your choice. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.